Why is this robotics cluster so important for your community?
Because it's a part of our transformation as a city from a more traditional industrial-based city to a tech city. And we have done a lot of effort in building up this robotics cluster with other partners. And at the moment it's thriving, and we see a growth with the number of companies and the number of employees. So it's very good, and we are ambitious for the future.
I think the secret of success is the long time we have been doing this. It is 25 years ago that the Maersk shipyard wanted robots to weld these double-hull ships at the shipyard here, and they invested heavily in robotics knowledge in this area. And I think that is the knowledge we can now see materializing into this thriving robotics ecosystem we have now.
It's a high growth business. The last year was a 12% growth. So that has created a lot of interest. 1.1 billion euros invested over the last 7 years in Ondense robotics companies tells the story. Well, if you look at a bit deeper in the numbers, the companies that produce cobots or in the cobot space, they actually have a growth between 30 and 40%. So they are really the motor in this the growth situation. The success as far as Odense is concerned is of course built around the cobot scene. University supports it, the public government supports it, lots of VC and business angels around it. So it's the ecosystem working together, not competing.
There's also an emerging next level of robotics potential. In general, robots were very good at doing exactly the same thing all the time in very controlled environments, which was the factories and automotive factories in particular. And they are becoming more and more able to adapt and be around humans. And so robots still do best in controlled environments, but we do see them move out of these environments into more unstructured, such as open spaces, outdoors, and so on.